Hello, good morning. Today is April 4th, 2025 because we're gonna work today. So bring food work. So I'm making a burrito and I'm using this it's a flour. It's a plain paratha and it's a Malaysian style. And in the burrito I'm gonna put last night I'm cooking a meat. It's a beef meat right here. It's a ribs. So I'm gonna heat it up this one and put in the burrito. And in the burrito, I have here the sour cream, um, cheese, and this guacamole, which is onion, tomato, and avocado. And so this is a leftover last night. I have still warm, still hot. So I'll put cold water. So now I'm gonna cook the plant. There's a flour up in the pan. Done cooking almost. So I'm heating up the pan to make to melt the cheese. So I'm melting the cheese in low heat, and then I put the wrap on the top, like that, and twist it around. Put the meat. So I'm gonna put the sour cream. So I'm gonna put the guacamole. Then the lettuce. So my burrito wrap is ready. So this is ready. So bye bye.